What's going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis, and we're doing a real quick unboxing video. You know what time of year it is. It is Christmas season, and we're going to go straight into it. What we're unboxing today is the new hybrid function Chuck Taylor All-Star CX. It's in black and purple, and it retails for $75. I ordered it from Converse itself. So we're gonna go real quick into the unboxing, get this box open, and you're gonna see the brand new sneakers. And this is just a video to help you make for you to see the sneaker, so you can make a buyer's, consumer's purchase and see if this is the right thing for you. We're gonna get rid of the paperwork that's right here. This is with my information on it. It comes also with gifts. This season, we have Bro right here. He's one of the puppies that we have. All right, let's get this box out. Hold on one second. So the box is out now. You see it comes with the classic Converse symbol right here. Converse also on the side of the box. Right here, size 12, as you know. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Hey, bro. Okay. There you go. Here is the left side. And what I like about it, I have the all black Chuck Taylors, and I use it to work out in. And this one's supposed to be stretch canvas as far as the material, so it stretches, it breathes a lot more. And it's has like some type of shiny, rubbery, as you can see right here, shiny rubbery like finish to it. It's almost like rubber right here in the front. So this is probably good for water resistance and everything. So not saying to go get the shoes wet or the sneakers wet, but it's the toes won't get wet. So as you can see, this is like a purple color, like almost a light, not even purple, like it's almost a bluish purplish type color. The back right here has orange and Chuck Taylor, the Converse All-Star symbol right here. And in classic Converse forms, we have the symbol right here in the inside of the shoes right here. Converse Chuck Taylor All-Stars, as it says. This is the bottom sole. It looks very nice. It says Converse All-Stars in the bottom. And this is it right here. I like the lace holes. It's nice and silver. Looks a little vintage. And I'm in love with this right here, as far as this rubber right here. Ready to wear this with a nice black jacket. Let's take out the other one. Say hi to bro. All right, there we go. Sorry. Black laces also, which I like. I remember when I got the black and white Chuck Taylors, it came with white laces. Surprisingly, this will come with another option of laces, which I thought they would probably do. Usually, there's nothing else left in the box. Usually, they give you another option of laces. But also, it would have been nice if it came with some orange laces, because, we do have a little orange in it. I'll show you inside. The sneakers itself has a little orange in it also. So, this right here is the new Converse hybrid function Chuck Taylor All-Star CX. It retails for $75 on the website right now, on Converse website. And it's black and purple. They have different colors. This is the stretch canvas. All you have to do is type in the search section for stretch canvas. And the material is a little bit more stretchy, a little bit more insulated for the winter, if you want to wear it around winter time. So that's it right there. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you're into Chuck Taylors like I am, this is probably like my 6 or 7 pair of Converse Chuck Taylors. If not, maybe more. I probably had a lot more than the average person. But that's about it right there. Tell me what you think. I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis, once again with another unboxing video. This one was from Converse itself. All right, talk to you later. Peace. Say bye, bro.